Hey there, tech-savvy friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for your favorite apps. Today, we're tackling something that's come up a lot in 2025. How to change your birthday on Cash App. Whether you entered the wrong date by mistake or just need to update it for verification purposes, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. But remember, Cash App has strict policies to protect user security, so changes might not always be straightforward. Always check their official guidelines first. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Cash App account on your mobile device. That's right, this process is typically done through the app itself. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon, usually found in the top right or bottom right corner. It looks like a person's silhouette. This will take you to your profile settings. Next, scroll down until you see the Personal Information, or Account Details, section. Here, look for your birthday entry. If it's editable, tap on it to bring up the option to change the date. You'll probably need to enter the new date using the calendar picker or by typing it in. Double check for accuracy because Cash App might require verification for any changes. Now, here's a key step. After making the change, hit Save or Update. Depending on your account status, you might be prompted to verify your identity. This could involve entering a code sent to your phone or email, or even linking to your ID for security reasons. If you run into any issues, like the option not being available, it could be because Cash App doesn't allow birthday changes after initial setup for users under a certain age or for privacy protections. In that case, reach out to Cash App support through their help center. One more thing. As we head into 2025, apps like Cash App are getting smarter with AI-driven security, so expect this process to evolve. Always keep your app updated to the latest version for the smoothest experience. There you have it. That's how you change your birthday on Cash App in 2025. It's a simple process, but if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.